TAEJIN performs detailed consulting and negotiation, including layout configuration for low cost and reasonable investment to the automation system required for poultry industry, such as automatic poultry processing system for chickens and duck. Once the contract is established, design is made through in-depth discussion by the researchers of our R&D Center, who have accumulated affluent know-how from domestic and abroad for the efficient facilities with high-tech and hygienic processing. When design is completed, the processing and assembling will be followed. The machinery assembled will be installed at the sites after going through the strict self-tests before delivery to the sites. For immediate follow-up maintenance, we always are ready to respond instantly to emergency situations, together with possession of sufficient spare parts. TAEJIN acquired InnoBiz Enterprise and achieved certification of Giant Enterprise for Export, KT Mark, EM Mark, KC, National Safety Certification for about 65 kinds of machines, and certification of Excellent Enterprise in Safety Management of Workplace. Possessing more than 70 kinds of intellectual properties and patents for utility models and registration of design related to the poultry automation equipment, TAEJIN has 75% of the domestic market share in poultry automation equipment and has briskly export over 20 countries, including China, Southeast Asia, Africa, Middle East, and Atoll. From now on, we will explain about the cutting-edge hygienic chicken processing line by respective equipment. There are two types in the live chicken unloading system. One is crate transfer system that transfers crates to the conveyor and hanging the chicken from a shackle. And another is vehicle tilts system, which is the facility developed by TAEJIN for the first time in the world that tilts the cage fixed in the vehicle automatically and hanging the transferred chicken from a shackle. Both of these facilities can be interlocked with the electric stunning system most frequently used throughout the world, and the gas stunning system recently introduced at a level of animal welfare. Besides, we provide customized live chicken unloading system corresponding to each country's characteristic. After killing and bloodletting, carcasses are hanged on the trolley conveyor shackle and get into the scalder. The scalder divides the process into two phases. In phase 1, it cleanses carcasses stained with various films and soaks them with low-temperature scalding water. Then in phase 2, it scalds carcasses at a temperature of 56 degrees Celsius to 59 degrees Celsius. Especially, TAEJIN's Super Scalder is comprised of 3 functions, including stirring suction impeller, air blower, and steam ejector. It maintains the temperature of scalding water evenly, prevents the phenomena of carcass floating and cooked breast meat in the process of scalding, and is applied to every kind of poultry, such as duck, Korean chicken, and ginseng chicken, as well as broiler chicken. The plucker is comprised of different types of line, zigzag, and series ranging from phase 1 to 4 for efficient plucking. The plucking work prevents freshness of the product from getting lowered by avoiding pore rupture or skin damage of carcasses caused by excessive epidermal friction. After plucking, carcasses are transferred through the head puller to the first rehanging machine for hygienic slaughtering. Carcasses are automatically moved from the killing line, which is a non-clean area, to the evisceration line, which is a mid-clean area. While chicken feet are automatically cut by adjustment at the first rehanging machine, shackles are washed, and then returned to the original position of chicken hanging process. Cut chicken feet are dropped, then peeled, and then transferred through pipe for cooling, cleansing, and packaging. Automatically hung chicken is transferred to the vent cutter process of the evisceration line. Vent cutter is used for the first step of the evisceration process and is a facility requiring precision. TAEJIN's vent cutter is an advanced Korean model and is excellent in acceptability and precision. The probe is descended first into the center of vent by the unit guide of cam rotating carcasses repeatedly, and the circular blade of knife cuts the vent accurately and makes it hang outside of the body. TAEJIN's eviscerator removes viscera very stably in order not to damage internal organs at the high speed of 12,000 birds per hour, and over 99% of evisceration rate is guaranteed. Especially, the real-time monitor developed by TAEJIN for the first time in the world shows the quantity of chicken and viscera produced by hour and the evisceration rate of each unit. It helps operators control quality and equipment management easily. Inedible viscera is cut firstly from viscera pack, which is transferred to the separate pack shackle line. Gizzards are separated from viscera by the gizzard separator, and then we'll have fat removing, opening, peeling, chilling, cleansing, and packing process. After that, only hearts among remained viscera. Lungs and heart at the upper part of pack shackle are separated from the heart separator. The separated heart will be chilled and packed. At the rest of offal will be transferred by Mersen pump to rendering processor room. After evisceration, carcasses are moved to the abdominal fat remover. TAEJIN's latest abdominal fat remover assures over 90% high removing rate in the fast speed of 15,000 birds per hour, and it has advantages to gain fat more than 1 ton a day compared with manual removal. Excellent hygienic and reduced labor costs. After removal of abdominal fat, carcasses are moved through respiratory tract and esophagus puller, then lung and blood globule are removed by vacuum at the final inspection machine. It is continued to air chilling process by secondary hanging machine after inside-outside washer by high-pressure water spray. Water chilling facility lowers deep body temperature of carcass by supplying the cooling water from 0 degrees Celsius to 1 degree Celsius at each step of chillers and passing carcass inside of chillers about 45 to 60 minutes. The cooling water used at the second and third step can be recycled for reduced water consumption. TAEJIN has references of large number of customers at home and abroad, which we designed, manufactured, installed, and had a test run. Based on the accumulated know-how, we could provide best performance in the chilling facilities. After chilling, carcasses are rehanged the third time automatically to the weight grading line. TAEJIN's weighing system can treat stably up to 13,000 or 15,000 birds per hour according to characteristic of countries, either one leg or two leg dropping, enabling additional changes while in use, and dropping same weight to various places separately. Especially, the two-leg dropping method enables the chicken to be classified and dropped at the places where needed, automatically like cut-up process, after air chilling without deformation of the body and weighing sensor. Also, carcasses produced on 2 different lines can be dropped at one place, enabling enhancement of productivity and reduce the labor cost. Additionally, it could sort 2 grades and compensate wholly or individually of moisture reduced by 1 cylinder. Even though a problem is occurred, we can diagnose the cause of problem and provide prompt measure through remote control system installed at sorting computer. And TAEJIN's second hygienic process line has the production capacity of 4,000 birds per hour and provides various cut-up systems according to customers' needs for 9 pieces, 15 pieces, 19 pieces, 21 pieces, 23 pieces, and 8 on. Also, we provide customized deboning cutout and deboning facilities to fit with customers' country. This system is available for management and analysis of breeding results by farms. Due to upload number of fair quality carcass and off-grade carcass, such as bruised and broken, classified by camera scanning system. And also check the poultry's weight and number differences between breeding process and slaughtering process by weighing and sorting system. Our main control system is touchscreen type. It makes easy management, monitoring, and operation. Also optional local control panel, which is comprised of excellent parts and materials, could make operator perform direct operation at the site. For the utility pipes connected to each machine, mainly hygienic stainless steel pipes were used. Also, we install and construct all of the electric wirings and steel frames neatly in order to make them in harmony with maintenance, hygiene, and fine view. Technical training to the operators for the whole poultry slaughtering facility will be implemented in order that even the beginner can apply to the site easily. And the content of training is comprised of setting and operating method, operation and maintenance of air chilling and chilling facility, overall education of the method to use the production information and control system, overall education of method to use the weighing system, and the method to take steps in case of emergency. TAEJIN provides a differentiated service and implements production and delivery of comprehensive facilities with the technological know-how accumulated for more than 40 years and the cutting-edge 3D design. TAEJIN has much pride in its extraordinary technological prowess of processing, delivery, upgrading, and perfect warranty for parts of any equipment model in the world. Thank you.